This week the NASDAQ has lost its value and after that returned back up. We can see that the week started with a bearish candle and after that the price has returned back below this area of support below 19891 and reached the next support 19539. From here the price, we can see on a Wednesday, has changed direction and returned back up, where the price on a Friday and on also Thursday could not manage to go above this area of resistance. The weekly time frame shows me indecision candle because we can see it is open and close at the very same price, and we have a small wick on the upside, larger wick on the lower side, which means there is a selling pressure that is pushing the price down, and currently what you can see, it is a demand zone where the buys are waiting and preventing the price from going further down. The week did not close below this area of support, which is just confirmation of this bullish breakout from the previous week, which has been confirmed. Monthly time frame shows me that we are currently forming a small bullish candle, but the month just started, so we cannot make any conclusions. What is very important is that the price needs to go above this area of resistance just to confirm this bullish pin bar as a valid one, and it will also show us that there is a bullish trend trying to move further up. Now let's go to the lower time frame to see how the price behaves. For now, we have a bullish breakout which is confirmed. That means it is suggesting further rise in value. We have a daily time frame which has reached the resistance level here at 20152, which needs to be broken in order to allow the price from reaching higher price levels. 4-hour time frame shows me also a resistance level that has been reached, but it could not be broken. So for now, for the next week, what we can expect? The weekly time frame shows me that we are in the bullish mode, which has been confirmed, suggesting further rise in value. The daily shows me second time trying to make a bullish breakout, which means we need to wait until the daily time frame shows us bullish breakout. Before the daily shows us a bullish breakout, we need also 4-hour time frame a bullish breakout. So if there is a 4-hour time frame a bullish breakout going above 20152, which means a 4-hour time frame candle closes above this area of resistance and the next candle also do not close back below, this will be a trigger for the bullish move for the rest of the week and also for the rest of the day, because the 4-hour time frame will be the start of the bullish breakout, which will be also, if the day closes above, will be a bullish breakout, which will be also a continuation of this bullish breakout on the weekly time frame, suggesting for a rise in value. So what is the target? The target will be around here at 2040, which is on the daily time frame 20450 as the next target. So this is the idea for the next week, and also if you would like to receive the updates during the week for the rest of the symbols and also for this one, when there is a bullish or bearish breakout, feel free to check the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description, so you can join only a premium traders who gets these information during the week. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.